This whole time I've been talking, I didn't press fucking record, son of a bitch. Like 5 minutes of my time I ain't getting back. I fuck with that truck though. I like that. Got a stain coming up here on my left. I got there at a car show. I want to race something. I'm fishing for a race. Something somewhere. It will happen. It will fucking happen. It's a guarantee, dudes. That's why I'm in the power band right now. I recognize that Mustang from a couple years ago. Oh, they're turning, son of a bitch. God damn it. Oh, it's a diesel. Alright, let me hope the fucking cloud clears a little bit. Put the visor down. I don't want to get that shit in my eyes. Alright. Coolio. Am I still recording? Yeah, cool. Ain't nothing coming up here that's gonna race unless the car behind this fucking PT Cruiser's got some gumps in its ass to get around and race me. But something tells me he's not. I think my best bet of finding someone that's gonna want to run it is gonna be back on Seaway up ahead here. Apple's just a little bit too congested for most people, I feel. Seaway and Whitehall Road though, safe bet. Like, I'm not putting money on it, but it's a safe bet. What a popo. Oh. I would have helmet padded for him, but cop's turning and he doesn't look like he's being crazy, so. Well, I see a Corvette in front of this fucking Lincoln. Maybe the Corvette will be a hot rod. It's like one of those 90s with the arrow kit on it. It's orange. Not like bright orange, like the muted orange. I just gotta get up to it and see what's up. Or maybe this bucket coming up will do it. I think it's only got a straight 6 in it though. Didn't sound like a V8 when it went through. So I was there for a couple hours hanging out, so. Did not record. My cousin did though, but I did not record. Actually, I'm pretty sure I recorded. I do not know. There was a nice rat rod truck there with an LS swap and a turbo on it with no bed, just like the diamond plate shit. He wanted 25 grand for it though, so that was a no from me. Whoa, it's getting on the highway? That fucking rat rod's getting on the highway, open top? What? I say on a motorcycle that goes on the highway quite a bit. Oh man, this thing's ticking. It's getting like annoyingly loud. No mechanic has ever said shit about it though. Like, I'm hoping it's nothing. But you never know sometimes. Sometimes these mechanics just don't be saying shit because it's not what they were told to look for. Okay, Chrysler, or whatever, man. I could so show them up right now, but I don't want it. Just a Chrysler. And there's a difference between launching at a stoplight and just speeding to speed. I think he's just speeding to speed. Yeah, actually he turned right there. It was just a speeding to speed. It's funny, I've been in this area a bit more than normal, so like I'm getting used to this area, general area, like the Getty Street Apple-ish section. Even though I don't want to be getting used to it. Because this area is notoriously bad for killing people on like the motorcycles and accidents. Oh my god, a Subaru. A little bit of lag there. I think I had a tar snake. Smells like fertilizer and pesticides are here. So the reason I did that one, that little like that, is because I fell into a pothole, and I found out lately that if I just fucking nail the throttle immediately into falling into a hole or like a crack like that, I can just bring the front end up and it'll just glide over it. And then if I let off and the suspension unloads just at the right time, like, and then the front goes down, which pulls the back end up a little bit. It works out of my head and I don't feel the bump anymore. So either that or I really fuck my suspension up on these days. I am so fucking vain that I look at myself in mirrors. Oh, got a timer. 20 seconds. Okay, they stopped. We're good. Oh, I saw a Moto Guzzi today, or Guzzi, Bussy, I don't know, man. Is this an SS? Malibu with the Aero kit, nice. And a can. What the fuck is this car? It's a Malibu. It's got a fucking front Aero diffuser, a fucking roof wing, and a can, and it's got some nice arms underneath too. What the fuck is this? Is it a sleeper? Oh, that's a Popo. Like, look at that shit. It's got. Is this a case of Ricey Boy or what? Yeah, we're both gonna take off nice here. Oh, my eye, fuck. Oh, my eye again, fuck again. Oh, we're doing this, eh? It's just so weird. It's even got a skirt on it. Nice. Well, I'll give you a second to catch up. Thinking about it, you're not gonna do it. Fuck me. He even bumped in! What the hell? There goes my adrenaline rush, son of a bitch. I'm sorely disappointed now. Like, I was so excited and hyped up to do that, and then he just backed off. God damn it. Mini. Woo! Be cool to get into a race with another motorcycle. That's like my ultimate goal. Is other motorcycle, nice car. Instead of just the Dadmobile, doing Dadmobile things. 380 a gallon. Oh my god. Oh, dude, that bike sounds good.